How to apply leave. For applying leave, first go to the BPC icon in the top left corner. Click on the Leave Management. Click the Employee Self-Service and click Request to Leave. After clicking, you would get the leave request page. Here select the type of leave which you want to avail. There are many types of leaves present in the drop-down. Select the relevant leave. Example, casual leave. After selecting the type of leave, click on the dates from when the leave is to be applied till the leave to date. After selecting the dates, click on the Submit to apply the leave. Once done, the leave is sent for authorization to the superior in charge for approval. Quick way of doing the same. To apply leave in a quicker way, click on the quick request present in the Home Quick Self-Service page. In the quick request page, select the type of leave for applying. Click on the start date for the leave to be applied and the end date too. In case of a single day, the end date shall automatically be shown. After entering the date, click on the Apply button. You can also manage the leaves, that is, view leave, holiday master, etc. This page shows all the types of leave and how many leaves are remaining in the leave balance. You can also edit the leave request by clicking on the Edit option. Leaves which are not authorized can be edited and altered. You can also cancel the request by clicking Cancel option. You can delete the request once authorized to avoid too much of request details. You can check the summary of all your leaves taken by clicking Leave Summary. To check on the list of holidays for the region, click on the Holiday List icon. How to authorize leaves. Click on the BPC icon in the Home button. Click on the Leave Management option. Click Authorize Leave Application. The Authorized Leave Application page has all the pending leave requests of the subordinates. The leave can be approved by clicking on the checkbox of the application number and clicking on the Authorize to approve the leave. Once the leave is authorized, a text box stating the leave authorized is displayed. In case of rejection of the leave request, the superior needs to provide a rejection reason. You can click on Reject to reject the request. Rejection of the request message is also shown for the same.